Abstain from boozy beverages. Drinking can drain your wallet and leave you nursing a nasty hangover, impairing your productivity. Ditch the sauce and focus on your millionaire dreams. Your bank account will thank you. Tune into chill vibes, pop in your earbuds and let soothing music guide you to a state of zen-like focus, melting away stress and sharpening your decision-making prowess. Who knew that a relaxing playlist could be the soundtrack to your fortune-building journey? Master a money-making skill. Don't just pinch pennies, pump up your earning potential. Dive into high-income skills like sales, copywriting, content creation, or even Google Sheets analytics. Before you know it, you'll be raking in the big bucks. Commit to a weekly investment ritual. Start small, but dream big. Set aside a specific amount to invest each week and watch your wealth snowball. Consistency is key to climbing the millionaire ladder. Sip coffee with the swanky crowd. Forget your neighborhood cafe, elevate your caffeine fix by frequenting posh hotels and coffee shops. Soak up the success vibes and let them fuel your ambition. Bask in the glow of the well-heeled. Get a taste of the good life by visiting upscale hotels, lounges, and establishments. Observe the behavior and attire of the wealthy to gain insight into the secrets of their success. Wipe out your credit card debt. Say goodbye to those pesky interest charges by clearing your credit card debt ASAP. Master the art of credit card usage and enjoy the rewards without financial headaches. Invest in your personal knowledge bank. Splurge on books, seminars, and online courses to level up your skill set. Trust in your ability to turn newfound knowledge into cold, hard cash. Boost your investment game. As your income skyrockets, allocate a larger percentage of it to investments. Strive for financial freedom, where your dividends and investments have you set for life. Embrace the power of Meditation Oasis. Discover the secret weapon to achieve all of the above. The Meditation Oasis YouTube channel, https://www.youtube.com/@meditationoasis_bagro/videos. Their guided meditations and relaxation techniques will unlock your focus, melt away stress, and supercharge your millionaire mindset. Try it out and watch your success soar.